Swastika. I'm a recent graphic design and 2D animation graduate. In this video, we're gonna go through the different phases of job hunting, as I also give my tips and advices on how to find your job and how to apply and how to keep a track of it and the later levels of job hunting. And by the end of this video, hopefully, I will be able to secure my first graphic design job in India as a fresher. So let's get into it.
Before we even start applying, there are two very important things that you will require, and that is a decent CV and an amazing portfolio. Okay, so let's do the simple stuff first, which is making your CV. And for that, I've created a list of do's and don'ts so that it's easier for you to follow. In the don'ts list, we have: do not make a double column CV format. So basically avoid the Canva template that they provide you. It's not a very efficient format. Second, do not put your picture in your CV. I think you should have heard it somewhere, but it's super important. Do not put your picture in your CV. Third, do not use crazy fonts or colors. So your fonts should be very simple, something in sans font, and the color of the CV, it can be white, it doesn't matter. But if you really want to add color, you can add simple pastel shades, which makes the text very, very visible. And lastly, do not make your CV more than 1 page long. Even if you have a lot of work experience, only put the ones that are relevant or are going to help you with your current job role. Tools list, we have a single column CV format. Follow a simple, neat and minimal CV format design. Divide the content into 4 primary topics, that is about me, followed by your work experience, followed by your education, and then your skills and certificates. Do not forget to add a link to your portfolio at the very end. Being a graphic designer, I think this is very important. So the next thing is your portfolio. And I wish I could help you with that, but that completely depends upon you. The format is pretty simple. You have a cover page, you have about me, you have your skill set, and then you have a table of content, your work, and then lastly a let's connect page. There are a number of platforms through which you can get a job. Most popularly LinkedIn, Naukri.com, Indeed, and I do not use any of these platforms. I do the job search through 2 different ways essentially. The first one being just web search. So I just go on Google and search 20 plus creative agencies, like / marketing agencies / design agencies in Delhi. And let's go through the list and see which ones I like, and I just apply to them through the queue. And for the second method, I use Instagram. So I just go on Instagram and search graphic design hiring Delhi, something like that. I just use the keywords, and you'll see a lot of posts where the companies had recently made a hiring post. I just go through them, and I go on, check the account and see if I like it, and then just apply to them through their given Gmail address or whatever process that they've mentioned. Once we have a list ready along with the company name and their email addresses, we will get right into the next step, which is email application. Okay, one small thing before we start applying, especially the last thing. So, the most annoying thing that I find while sending emails out is that I never know if they've actually seen it, or like if there's a chance for me to further pursue them. It's just so uncertain. So for that, I have installed this app called MailSuit. So you just need to install this and attach it and link it with your email, and you get to know if your email has been opened and read, how many times it's been forwarded, or the number of times it's been read. And if you go for their pro plan, you also get to see if the link has been opened and followed and the stuff like that. But I just use the free version. Okay, so here is where everything begins. We start writing the applications. So for my email applications, I usually go for the 3-paragraph email format. I do take help from ChatGPT, but I always make sure that I personalize these emails, even if it's like 1 paragraph at the minimum. Okay, I just got done writing my emails for the day. I wrote 3 for today. And one more thing, I always schedule them for the next day between 10 to 10:30 so that my email is kind of on the top of their mails and they go through it. So yeah, I just always schedule it for the next day. And yeah, that is it for day 1. I just got done sending in the emails for the day, and I did hear back from one of the places that I applied to yesterday. I'm sure I must have misread it or something, but it was an agency situated in Surat. I think I read it as Saket and applied over there. So they were like, are you looking to relocate? And if that is the case, we can look into it. But yeah, I'm not relocating, so just applied to a bunch of places today, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Okay, I just realized that this video is getting too information heavy, so I'm gonna stop this here and turn this into a series. And I hope that somebody came across this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know. I'd be super thrilled to know that I was able to help someone out. See you in the next video. Will we get a job by that? I don't know. Maybe might. Or we might not. Sorry. Anyway, see you. Bye.